I'll really surprise you on this one. RSplit in Python separates a string into a list of strings based on a specific string. By default, RSplit separates a string based on any space characters. For instance, you could do H with 2 spaces and then the I, and RSplit will give you back a string of H and then I. If you pass in a character, then you could separate a string based on characters other than spaces. Take this phone number, 420-69. If you pass in a dash to RSplit, then it will separate the phone number into 2 strings, those being the 420 before the dash and the 69 after the dash. Separate from RSplit, but still important, because you can't achieve it with RSplit. If you just want to separate this string hello into a list of its characters, then you would have to pass the string hello into the list constructor. Finally, we get to the big difference between RSplit and split, that being how they handle the optional second argument, that being the number of splits. Let's take 5 through 8 separated by dashes. 0 splits still works the same as RSplit, it just returns the original string in the list without doing any splits. 1 split would only cut off the last bit, so it'll cut the 8 off and make its own element, while still maintaining the 5 through 7 separated by dashes as the first element. 2 splits would cut off the next to last element, so 7 and 8 would be on their own, and 5 and 6 would still be together. Finally, 3 or more splits, because neither split nor RSplit have a cap on the number of splits you can specify, is just a normal split of all the numbers existing separately.